Ngiyabingelela kini nonke babukele emakhaya welihle igama lomfowethu Jesu Kristu. I go by the name of Sakhile wakwaGadebe. Ngikhonza ebandleni le-Valley of Hope Family Church Ministries, where everybody is somebody and Jesus Christ is Lord. Ngikhonza ebranchini yase Soweto branch endaweni yasemndeni isikolo imndeni high school. Yes. So what do I do outside eZion? So I have a business. I have two businesses actually, which is eyokuqala eyoku-ayina eyoku-ayina into zesonto. And then also I also have a transport business, transport abantwana besikolo. And soon I'm also in plans zokuqala enye business. So yeah, that's basically what I do. Laphandle gokuba isayon. So ngalokho ke ngithi welcome to more Zion questions with more Zion music. Describe the process of being in a recording studio for an album. Recording studio. Yo, guys. Ziyakhala studio. Ziyakhala, honestly. And badla, please, angizama ukunithusa, angizama ukuthi ngifakele pressure, but eqinisweni nje elihle ziyakhala studio.
No one is safe, guys. No one is safe.
Because of the process yakhona, it needs a person ukuthi abe very like ingqondo yakhe ne physic yakhe or ne physicality yakhe, if lelo gama likhona, ibe ready. Yabona, you have to be mentally prepared, you have to be physically prepared. Yabo. So the process your record studio. So manifika ke studio nizoqala nirecord eqala. You know, mhlawumbe let's say ni recorder 12 tracks. Yabo? Niyoqala nirecorde lawo ma 12 tracks. Then from there kuza the part ye double tracking. Hayi kulazikhala khona ke. Lapho kwekujuluka indoda straight. Ujulu kube manzi nje straight. Yabona nje ujulu kube manzi nti studio. And mind you, studio ningakaqali ukuyo record nisangena nje studio. Manisayofaka what's these things, ama headphones wakhona. Ujuluka nje sisaqala, anikaqali ukuqala, but already nje sowujulukile. You sweat. So you need to be as comfortable as possible. They always recommend that to guys, gqokani nibe as comfortable as possible because of kusazosetshenzwa. Hayi kancane kusazosetshenzwa. Yabo. So there's that process ukuthi nizoqala and record eqala those 12 tracks bese niya double track. Ne? Then with double tracking, it's whereby ni emphasize on the notes, you know, and just making sure ukuthi isigxivizo niyasishaya nje impela. Yabona, makuthiwa i-tenor khona la ikhuphuka khona ikhuphuke, makuthiwa i-alto la ikhuphuka khona ikhuphuke, makuthiwa khona la i-bass iyehla khona i-drop i-bass. Yabona, then kufakwa your first tenor, your second tenor. Yabon. Yeah. If that's how they call it, second tenor. I don't know. But yes. So yeah, that's the whole process of. Oh, and another thing is niphathe amanzi ayaphathwa nje studio njengoba kushisa studio ayaphathwa amanzi yabo. So nje kubalekile ukuthi be as comfortable as possible and uphathe namanzi ngoba kuyashisa studio ujulu kube manzi nte. So that's the process of recording. If Zion was a superhero to me, I think it would be Superman. Yabo? And the reason why in Keta Superman is because of Superman doesn't back down without a fight. Yabo? Noma kungathiwa ushaywa izinto kangakanani, noma kungathiwa noma bathiwa abantu bamshaya kangakanani, he doesn't back down. He goes up. He doesn't go down without a fight. Yabo? So lokho kubonisa ukuthi noma sekungathiwa amabandla maningi kangakanani, they won't back down without a fight. And any futhi that we need to take to consideration is the fact that there's a lot of competition, iningi competition emabandleni onke akhona South Africa yonke. There's a lot of competitions. So noma kungathiwa ibandla lifaceana namapha ama challenges, it is always the case ukuthi they won't back down without a fight. So yiko ngithi my superhero, my Zion superhero is Superman. Yabona? If beyenzeka into enjalo. Describe singing in 2 words. So the first word is healing. Right? The first word is healing. Kunezwi eliseBhayibhelini elithi ukuhlabelela kuyamthokozisa odabukileyo. You know, the minute umuntu ephimisa ngomlomo kuba another sense of healing that happens. Kuba another sense of ukuphola okwenzekayo phakathi kuloyo muntu, you know. So that's why I say it's healing, you know. And then the second word is spiritual. Me saying spiritual is because of yabona mawumuntu who is spiritual and who is connected to God to that extent yokuthi mawuhleli wedwa ucula noma uhlabelele, because there's a difference between ukucula nokuhlabelela. Ukucula, it's just doing it nje for the sake of singing, but ukuhlabelela, it's when you give it your all. You give it your all, you know. Uba lento yokuthi sekuphela ukudlala mase kuhlatshelela, kuphela ukudlala, aphela ukudlala, yaphela nje ukudlala ngoba kusuke sekungenwa kwenye indima serious eyokuhlabelela, yabo. So that's how I describe singing in 2 words. So my current favorite song is ingoma esiyireleasile ebandleni la ngikhonza khona. So there's 2 EPs ingoma esizireleasile so far, it's 2. iyatholakala kuma musical platforms onke, your YouTube, your YouTube Music, your Spotify, your Boomplay, yeah, all the musical platforms nje. Leyo EP leyo iyatholakala. So my favorite current song, it's Zimfundiso zika Yesu. So ithi undibo nandi nje Zimfundiso zika Yesu. Zimfundiso zika Yesu. Besitheni buye ithi zona zimfundiso zika Yesu. So that's my current favorite song. Yabo. Yes, yasebandleni la ngikhonza khona. Yeah, iphumile EP yakhona nizosibona nje nesithombe sakhona sizovela. Yeah, sizovela isithombe sakhona ukuthi ningayithola kanjani kuphi, but yeah, iyatholakala nje. So guys, hambani, please support nje umsebenzi. We highly appreciate your guys' support. Please yenzani njalo Nkosi yami, ni like, ni share, ni subscribe. Yes, nje siyacela bandla, singathokoza nje kakhulu ukuthola isupport yenu siyibandla. Amabandla ayi2 engingathanda ukwabona ukuthi enze ingoma. So there's a video engingayibona whereby ubaba presiding Bishop Mgaga esebandleni lase True Worshippers of God behlabelela ingoma ethi wayishintsha impilo yami wehla wafa wadela ubukhosi ngenxa yami wanqanyulezwa ngenxa yami. When I saw that video kwaba ukuthi ngaba nento yokuthi it would be nice, you know, it would be nice to see that collaboration. Yabona nje that collaboration nje.
It's about to go down.
Yabona nje kube into.
A few moments later.
Yabona nje kube into nje eyenzekayo. Yabona kube into nje eyenzekayo, kube into nje serious eyenzekayo. Facts. So True Worshippers of God ne Christ Our Rock of Salvation Ministries. Yes, those are the two churches I would like to see make a song together. Yes, that's the two collaboration that I would like to see. What makes you late to church on Sunday? Yeah, this one, you see this one, Shem Bandla Nkosi yami, Bandla yazini. And yazi kahle kahle ne ukuntshela iqiniso. Mina akahle kahle mina angisuwo umuntu olate. Yabo? Inkinga ukuthi abantu engihamba nabo.
God, he's lying again. He's lying. He's a liar. You are a child. I knew I wanted to hear this one. Lord, have mercy, Jesus. He's crazy.
Yiba bangenza ukuthi ngibe late esontweni. Abantu engihamba nabo. Because mangihamba ngiyi1, it's either ngingaba late mhlambe nge5 minutes.
I knew it.
Yabo? Yeah, or not even 10 minutes. 5 minutes maximum. Yes, 5 minutes nje maximum. Yabo? Manje inkinga abantu engihamba nabo. Yiba abangiletesayo. Because abafuna ukuvuka 1. abantu uthole umuntu ngivuke early kuyiSunday and ngayizolo ngibatshelile ukuthi ngelanga eliso or ngesikhathi esiso siyavuka siyapreparani siyageza sisontweni hayi bavuma abantu sharp how uthi uyafika doyi abantu basayilelele nje bayipholele abana stress yabona bese maso ubashiya futhi abantu kube ngathi wrong yebo kube ngathi wrong. So iyo into engenza ngibe late because of abantu engihamba nabo esontweni. That's my only problem. But nje mina nje ukuthi ngumuntu late cha angisiyena nje umuntu late kusiyami lutho but uthoni kusiyami lutho siyena. How often do I stash impahla zami zesonto? So nakhona ke depend.
Stop the cap.
It depends ukuthi mhlambe if there's an event obviously I have to stash. Mele ube muhle.
Bruh.
So uma umuntu mele ucwante. Manele ucwante ugqoke. Nawe noma ugqokile uzizwe ukuthi hayi imisebenzi yezandla zami le ngizistashele ngazenzela yonke into. So noma ugqoka nawe uyazizwa ukuthi hayi cha ngigqoke kahle uyabo ngigqoke kahle ngicwantile ngemuhle yabona because of I self love iqala lapho yabona ukuyithanda wena qala as a person yabona ukuyithanda wena ukuzimisela wena entweni and into noma uyiyenza ungayenzi because of I don't know ungayenzi because of mhlawumbe ubona umunye umuntu eyenza but uyenze because of wena self you have that thing in you yokuthi noma kuthiwa ugqokani yabona ugqoke ube presentable yabona ugqoke nawe uzibone ukuthi hayi cha ngimuhle impela noma I'm handsome yabo or I'm beautiful but kube ukuthi ugqokile umuhle nawe uyazizwa ukuthi umuhle ugqokile ucwante nje impela ucwante yabona ucwante nje impela ugqoka ucwante isicathulo sibe mnyama ibruko yabona nje lihlale lithi ngci ijazi nalo lihlale lithi ngci noma kuthiwa nigaqile or ngifaka ugreen or ngifaka ublue but kube into ukuthi uthe nje ngci yabo uthe nje ngci kube muhle. So the stashing part I think twice I think ngistasha kayi-2 as I'm saying depending yabona but nje hayi angisilo umuntu ostasha kangako because of istash enye into futhi sengiyibonile ngistash ukuthi istash sidla ikhala uthole ijazi selinobumhlophe yabona ikhala siyaphuma ejazini yabo so nje yeah so it's very and another thing engisebenzisayo mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi this week ngistashile I also use i-press lab. Abaningi bayayazi i-press lab ukuthi yes indwangu nje mhlawumbe oriduku lakudala ungasaligqoki uyalithatha ulifaka amanzi ulivome libe damp uayinele phezukalo yabona just to uqinisa le stash sikhona ijazi. So i-press lab fanele uyalipressa nje ijazi yabo uyalipressa yes basically uyalipressa nje ijazi. So yeah, angistashi kangako. Which 5 Zion personalities or singers you would like to meet? Okay, so far I've met most yabantu yabona ebengifisa ukubabona yabona. I've had encounters with yabo yeah. So far I've met a lot of people but engifisa kusiyambali bakithi. Number 1 ubaba Mxolisi was a true worshipper of God. Number 2 ubaba uKing Bhekani Ncube. Yes. Number 3 is uSisi uNontobeko wakwaMkhwanazi. Yes. Number 4 it's umama Maluleka was a Blessings of Christ. Usisi uNontobeko ukhonza eBright. Yes, international. And then ubaba uBhekani ukhonza eDamaseko White Church. And then ubaba uMxolisi, yes, obviously usonta ukhonza eTrue Worshippers of God. And then number 5, number 5, who could it be? As I've said, ukuthi I've met most of yabantu, your ubhuti uSipesihle Nzini, ubhuti uMduduzi Fanzo, umfowethu uThulani Madonsela. I've met I've met quite a lot of people. Nje. So I think it's only these 4. I always 5. I assess. Angazi ubani was 5. I don't know, honestly. Always 5. Angazi ubani. But because no Babu Zondi, umnikazi kaShuni, ngeke ngahlangana naye enkonzweni ethize esasukuyona iyikhova, in fact. Yes, ngize nginesithombe naye. So as I'm saying, there's quite a lot of people that I've met. So I think it's just labantu abawu-4 yabona engafisa nje ukuhlangana nabo Nkosi yami. Yabona nje yebo Nkosi yami. You look up to from Zion. So the person that I look up to as Zion, it has to be ubaba presiding bishop uVL Mandlanzi. I look up to Ubaba Mandlanzi because of there's quite a lot of things that you learn, and especially as a male figure and as the visionarist of ibandla le Valley of Hope Family Church Ministries. It shows ukuthi there are certain things that he sees important for ibandla. You understand? Kunokuthi anake izinto engeke zibenefite ibandla as a whole, So I look up to him very much, and the way he loves his family, the way he takes care of his family and kids, the way he shows love kubazalwane bonke, the way he appreciates imisebenzi eyenziwa abantu, the way he talks to people, the way he addresses issues, nje isiqu sakhe nje uyambona nje ukuthi ubaba ohloniphekile ohlonishwayo nje kakhulu. So kuningi as a young male man, kuningi engikufundayo kuyena, ukuthi ezinye izinto azidingi ukuthi kumele uze uwenze ezinye izinto, but into nento oyenzayo kumele unxuse ubaba uNkulunkulu kukho konke okwenzayo. kukho konke okwenzayo kumele unxuse ubaba uNkulunkulu. That's why slogan sebandla sithi where everybody is somebody and Jesus Christ is Lord. You understand? Lokho should say a lot to people, you know. Lokho should bring into yokuthi akusukuthi umuntu nomuntu uphathwa ngenye indlela, but kuba nento yokuthi sonke sisentweni yokuthi sakha umzimba kababa uNkulunkulu, you know, and sisentweni yokuthi sikhonzana ngeyiphiwo. I understand. So yeah, into nje enjalo, that's the man I look up to, you know, ubaba presiding bishop uVL Mandlanzi. Yeah, but guys, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to more Zion music. And yeah, God bless you all, and till we meet again. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and please don't forget to go and check EP Yaseveli of Hope Family Church. Please, guys, nihambe niyolalela, like, comment, and share. uNkulunkulu nje anibusise nonke mabukele emakhaya. Amen.